Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Selby and Rose. But before we get into that, a lot of you guys have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it here opened up on their website. So if you don't know what this is, they basically sell clothing. So this is for women. So footwear, dresses, cords, so 100% confidence in every stitch. And they do have the traits of a scam website. And there are a lot of websites that looks like this. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 1.5 out of 5 stars, which is bad. So as you can see, it's China, not Manchester. Wish I had read the reviews before buying on this company. It's a shame I didn't read these reviews. Wish I had read the reviews. 0 stars, scam. Cheap tat from China with fake UK storefront looking. Oh my, wish I'd read the reviews. This could be a scam. Give 0 stars if it was an option, scam, and a lot more. So please guys, I would advise you to stay away from this website since they are very clearly a scam. And this video does not relate to anything here on what they sell. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.